welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is John and today I created this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. It's a full face one, so if you want to know how I created this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did prime my face already and now jumping right into the foundation. I'm using the Make Mineralized foundation in MC25. I'm using like almost 2 pumps of it. Spray a little bit of Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray on my beauty blender. Not beauty blender, I'm sorry, it's the Valentines beauty sponge. And just press that foundation all over my face. Next, moving on to concealer, and I'm using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. To contour around my face, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick in medium, and I'm using this darker shade around my face and this highlighting shade underneath my eyebrows. Next, I will just go over the contours I just created with Hula Light from Benefit, and I'm using this Real Techniques contouring brush. Next, I'm going to set underneath my eyes, and I'm using the Nude Illusion translucent powder from Catrice. Next, moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Eyebrow Stylist pencil from Catrice, and I'm just using the spoolie to brush through my eyebrows. And next I'm just using this pencil and fill in the gaps between my eyebrows. Next, moving on to the eyeshadows, and I'm using the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. And I'm starting with this pink right here as the transition shade. I will go in with this red shade right here, and with that red shade I'm just going to lightly focus on the outer part of my crease. Next, I'm using Cactus Flower. This is the Zoeva Rouge Belle palette, by the way. And I'm using this pale pink color for the eyelid. And now I will just go over the crease with a blending brush and blend that nice and neat. It's fine if you mess up the edges because we can clean that up with concealer. So for my waterline, I'm just using a white crayon. This one is from Mix Factor. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette, and I'm using Angelic right here. And I will just pop that shimmery shade underneath my eyes. And now it's time to clean up these edges right here. And I'm back with the Fit Me concealer and a concealer brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 102. And I'll just pop a little bit of this concealer on the back of my hand. And then I'll basically just grab it with the concealer brush. And now it's time to clean up that edge. Go for the second one as well. And I do blend that in with the brush first, and then I go over it with the sponge. Now I will put on a eyeliner, and it's the NYX Vivid Brights in this pastel pink, and I'm starting at this edge right here, like with the wing. Next I'm popping on some mascara, and this is the Essence Instant Volume Boost one. Next I'm popping on some falsies, and this is the package, by the way. I have used these lashes in my last, I don't know, 20 videos or something like that. No, I'm just kidding, but I kind of always use these and people seem to like these lashes a lot. I got them from Primark, and these are the Girls with Attitude, like GWA lashes in Fantasy, and you guys, they are amazing. I'm going to pop them on now using my dual lash glue. So I'm going to let that lash glue dry now. And now let's pop on a little bit of blush. Of course the blush has to be pink. So I'm using this California blush by Benefit. I do look so alive now, right? Next I'm highlighting, and I'm using the Becca highlight in C Pop, and I will pop that almost like everywhere. If you want to see my highlighting routine, go check out my YouTube channel. I will of course pop that beautiful color in the inner corner of my eyes. And underneath my brow bone as well. On my on my cupid's bow. Tip of my nose and like the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to blend, I'm going to blend that in with the blending brush. And for my inner corner, I will go over with this lilac shade. It's a highlighting palette from Sleek. And I know that Becca highlight is pretty cute, but I want to put a little bit of this lilac shade on top. Next I'm going to apply some lip liner, and I'm using the Oh Honey one from MAC Cosmetics. It's a nude shade with a pink undertone. And applying a lip liner before you apply actual lipstick or lip gloss makes your lips appear so much bigger. I'm using this MAC lipstick. It's from Nicki Minaj. And it's the shade right here, and it's called Nicki's Nude. And I'm going to apply that onto my lips now. Next I'm going to apply some details, and I got these cute little hearts. So I'm using the NYX glitter primer and this detailed BH Cosmetics brush, and I will just pop that underneath my eyes. And then I'm trying to place the hearts on it. And I'm trying to place them. I'm just going to place one right underneath my brow bone. I will finish this look up with the Glam Glow setting spray. I never tried this one out, so this is like my first impressions. Why do I shake it? I don't know. Okay, the sun is back, so I'm going to wait for a second because I guess it's too light. So I'm trying this setting spray now and I'm so excited about it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the smell is amazing, but I didn't feel anything on my actual skin because the mist is like so fine. Okay, I'm going to try that again. I'm definitely not used to it because comparing this one to like the other setting sprays that I've been trying out so far, this is like so fine and I cannot get enough of it. I really want to spray it on again. Can I just, or is it too much? I'm going to do that again, okay? Do I look glowy and healthy now? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't been already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post videos, I guess. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!